I just found this epic database over here where you can go and get tons of free video courses such as how to create your first sales funnel, the power of discipline videos, WordPress fast track, Warrior Plus for new beginners, traffic exchanges tips and tricks, diet transformation videos. All of these courses over here, over 12,000 of them specifically, are available for you to go and download, claim as your own, and do what you like with them. Now, I recently have been using this tool over here called Builderall, specifically the membership e-learning tool, which allows you to create online courses and go and sell them. So what I've been doing is I've been going and claiming these free courses over here, building them and putting them into my own membership area, creating my own funnel, and going selling that on Instagram Reels, TikTok. You can use Facebook ads, Google ads, any sort of traffic that you can get into your e-learning funnel. You can build a huge audience and make thousands of dollars a day online. One of my membership areas have turned over $43,767 so far selling these various different courses through my own membership area. And as you can see over here, I've had months of $6,000 a month, $6,000 a month, $3,700, $5,600. So I've been averaging anywhere between $5,000 to $6,000 a month selling these free courses. I don't need to sit down, take hours a day recording these courses. All of them I've just copied and pasted from this website over here, which you are allowed to because the authors of these courses have listed on this website specifically for you to go and download and claim as your own. It's called a public free license, where the public is allowed to go and use this content for whatever they want to. There's no copyright issues. So this is honestly a goldmine of a video to make money online. You really don't want to miss this one if you want to build a huge successful course business online. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Step number 1 is to come over to idplr.com. So idplr is the database where you can go and get access to over 12,590 free PLR products, which you can resell and keep 100% of the profits. So this is the #1 PLR membership area since 2008, over 100,000 people, which is not actually a lot. And there's updated courses and PLR products being added to this website every single month and every single day. And as you can see over here, there's currently over 1,707 video courses, 6,315 ebook courses, templates, 200k plus articles, 260 audios, and 604 graphics that you can go and use to resell, reuse, and claim as your own. Now, if you just take some of these video courses over here, put it into a good funnel or membership area over here, just create a little bit of a brand around it, you can actually make a lot of money off of this course. So just to show you over here my results and to reload this to show you that this is my live dashboard over here of this one membership area, let me just go and put this on all time over here, and here you can see it has made just over $43,000 in profit so far. There's been no expense on this, so that's all profit actually, because I haven't run any ads on this. All of this has been complete free traffic over here from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and free traffic platforms. On plr.com, hover over free products, click on free videos, and it will take you to the free video section with tons of free courses. So let's go and take a look here. Here you can see we've got product launches. So this is a whole video course on how to launch a product, how to duplicate your WordPress website, Mind Power Mastery Gold, how to create your first sales funnel, WordPress fast track. So this is a whole course on how to develop a WordPress website. So this is actually a good program to go and learn. Here's an entire course on how to do a diet transformation, underground traffic sources. So all of these are valuable courses that you can go and download and make profits off yourself. So I'm going to go and choose underground traffic sources over here. All you need to do is just click on download. I think with the free account on idplr.com, you get 2 free downloads before you have to pay an upgrade to the paid package, which I think is an $80 once-off fee. And you get access to all of these products over here, but it's fine. The free account is more than good enough, as you can go and get 2 of these free downloads already. So I'm going to go and click on download and download this to my PC. Over here is the zip folder that is downloaded from idplr.com. All you're going to do is right click on it, click on extract here, and here you can see all the content resources and each and every topic covered over here. Step number 2 is to come over to this website over here called builderall.com. So this is an all-in-one digital marketing platform where you can integrate your own membership areas, import them at the click of a button, integrate them into sales funnels where you can build leads, get multiple sales, have downsells, upsells, build an email list, and you can actually send out emails on a daily basis to your email list, which again increases your conversion rate by getting your traffic back to your offer. So this is a great way to get people into your funnel and actually have them stay there for the rest of your life, to constantly send out promotional material, coupons, gifts, giveaways, you name it, to get them to come back to your offer. So that's what we're going to go and do with this tool. Now you can actually go and get this tool for your first month completely for free, plus 1,200 bonuses worth of free funnels, done for you business funnels, done for you templates. I think there's a Telegram group as well included with Builderall. So this you can all get with the link down below in the description of this video. It is my affiliate link, but if you do want to go to builderall.com, you can, but then you're going to pay your first month. So with my affiliate link, I'm able to give you bonuses and your first month free. So that's the first link down below if you want to go and try this without being charged. So over here, once you're on your Builderall dashboard, you're going to see a dashboard that looks like this. Just click on your tools, click on builders over here, and you want to go and look for e-learning. So we're going to click on enter on e-learning over here so we can go and create our membership area. Click on create new course. Just type in the name. For the name, you can just go and copy and paste the same name of this product here. So I'm just going to go and copy that. Underground traffic sources, I'm just going to type my name. Category, we can go and do, I think it's business management. Let's click on next. For the icon of your course, you can just come back to your folder over here, go and click on e-covers, and we can use one of these icons over here. So let's click on upload, and let's go and upload this icon over here, for example, just like that. And we can then click on next, and we can click on create new course. Turn off allow ask questions to instructor. You can leave all of this as default. You don't have to worry about any of this. For the course description, you can actually just come over here and copy this description here. Just go right click, copy, come back here and paste this here. So your description is all there for you. It's just a matter of copying and pasting. All of this is perfect for the instructor. You don't have to worry about this. Registration and protection, leave this as default. Modules and lessons, this is where we need to go and add our modules and lessons. So we're going to click on add module. We're going to type in the name of the module. So to go and do that, just come back to the folder where you've downloaded your course. Click on create module. Click on add module. We want to go secret. There's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos. So we're going to go secret traffic source 2. You can just copy this. Click on create module, add module number 3. Click on create module number 4. Just click on number 4, create module, add module number 5. And then number 6 over here. So we can just change that to number 6, and all 6 modules have been created. For the rest, we don't have to worry about this. We can leave this as default. Now under module number 1, we want to add a lesson. So we're going to click on content. We're going to click on video from computer, click on upload from PC, and go and upload video number 1. And then same for number 2. We're going to click on add a lesson, click on content, click on the drop down video from computer, and click on video number 2 and wait for this to upload. Again, click on create lesson, and let's go do this for number 3, add module, content, drop down video from computer, and go and click video number 3. So this uploads to our 3rd module. Click on create lesson, and number 4, add lesson, content, video from computer, and add video number 4. And all 6 of our videos and modules have been added. So now if we go and click on preview, this is what your course is going to look like. So this is what the dashboard will look like for your leads and for your students. If they click on secret traffic source 1, they've got video number 1, and they can go and watch this video over here. They will then proceed to video number 2, and they can watch video number 2. Same with video number 3. They can proceed to video number 3, 4, 5, and 6. You've got a login and register button over here. So this course is now done. We're going to click on save on the top right. And the next thing we need to go and do is go and put this into a funnel, which we can go and import with builderall.com. So we don't have to go and design this ourselves. We're going to come back to our dashboard over here. We're going to click on tools over here. We're going to click on the funnel builder, and this will open in a new tab. Click on add funnel. Just type in the title. Again, we can go and type the name of this, underground traffic sources. Paste it here. For the theme, go and select course funnel. Click on create. Click on start the funnel. You can close these tips. You want to click on blueprints over here. You want to click on membership products. We've got a membership funnel, a VIP membership funnel, a tripwire funnel, and a magazine webinar. We're going to go and click on membership funnel. So we've got a basic squeeze page, a video sales page, the checkout page, and a thank you page, and then a membership area, which is that membership area we just created. So this is an entire funnel and a form over here where we can go and set up an email sequence. Click on generate website, and this funnel will be created for you in a couple of seconds. Click on go to website. and we can go and edit our first page. Here you can see all the pages I've now listed in your funnel. Let's go and start off with the squeeze page. Click on edit page over here. This is what your page looks like. Let's go and change this image. Click on this image, click on edit elements, general settings, change image. And over here, it will pop up, select file, come over to the same folder where your course is downloaded and just go and upload one of these e-covers. We can do this one here. Click on open, select it and click on save. And there we go. You can see this is now been updated just like that. For the title content, we can go and copy underground traffic sources. And then for the description, we can go and paste that same description over here. Let's just move this up just like that so it all fits. And over here for this form, we want to click on set list and save all our leads to a list. We can then click on save over here. So our first page is now complete. So that means when people enter this page over here, they need to enter their email in order to get to the sales page where they can get access to their membership area. But in that way, we're collecting their emails and can use that and save that to a database and send them promotional emails on a daily, monthly, whatever basis you want to. So let's click on that's fine. We can then close this tab over here. And now we can come back to this page and let's go and do the video sales letter page over here. So click on edit page. Same thing for your title. Just go and copy and paste. Let's go and highlight this. Paste that here. For this text over here, we can type something like this. We can go 297 and then we can type here again $29. So we can then highlight this, scratch it out with a line, make this $29 bold and also twice the size. Let's make this 40. We can go and make this a green color text. So that gives people the idea that this is on huge sale at the moment. For this video over here, we can completely delete this video over here. Just click on delete and we can actually move all of this up here. So let's just go centerize. This picture we can go and replace. So let's click on edit elements. Let's click on general settings. Again, change image. Select that same cover and click on save. And over here, we can just stretch this out a little bit. We can then move all of these up here. So let's just move this here, 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 and here. I'll line them up now. And once your page is complete, it will look something like this. So over here, we've just got 6 traffic sources you've never heard of to monetize and make commissions from. A little picture, and yes, I want it over here. So this is very simple. We can click on save, and this will then be saved as our second page. So now we need to go and edit page number 3, which is the checkout page. So let's click on edit page over here. Again, for our product name, we can copy underground traffic sources and just paste this here. Sometimes if the text does this, just click on it and make it a bit wider and it will fit perfectly. For the checkout form, we can leave. Over here, we can click on this. We want to delete this. And we want to go click on the dropout, add, and you want to type click on super checkout. Drop this onto the form. Click on super checkout. On the next page, it's going to ask you for the name and description. Again, just copy and paste, as simple as that. So let's go just close this, paste the name, description over here. We can copy this, paste this here. English, we want to set as the language, English United States. Format is digital. You don't have to ask for address for the category. We want to type in ebooks or media. We want to type in courses or subscriptions. Click on next. For the price of the product, it's going to be $29 over here. We can add Stripe or multiple payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, and some of these over here also offer cryptocurrency payment gateways, but I'm just going to select PayPal. We can then click on next. For the thank you page, we want to select thank you page. For the sales page, we want to select the video sales letter page, click on save, and then select your product over here. And then all you want to do is just edit your text over here. So for example, the balloon text over here. So we can just type in, for example, delivery details, step number 1, and this checkout has now been complete. So what we can do is you can just edit some of this text over here. You can delete this if you want to. The main important part is this checkout page here. We can then click on save, and then finally we want to go and edit our last page, which is the thank you page over here. Let's click on thank you page, and I just typed your congratulations. Click below to access your membership area. Click on this and we can move this button up here, and we can put this little blue arrow over here. So now when people click on this button, it's going to take them to the membership area. Let's click on save. So our thank you page is complete. Now that this is done, let's go and edit the page of our membership area, and it will then take them to the membership area. So once this is complete, you can also click save over here and your entire funnel is done. So now people can land on the squeeze page, enter the email that will then be saved to a list, taken to the video sales page, the checkout page where they pay, and then access to their membership area over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the link, click on go to page of our squeeze page, because this is the first page of our funnel. we can copy this and we can start off with TikTok. So over here is my TikTok page over here where I've grown my account to over 279,000 followers, and I basically create little advice on finance advice, just content in a relative niche to build an audience. And then over here I've got a link to a YouTube video that basically promotes that course. So over here, average views 28,000. I've got one video that actually hit 1.1 million views the other day that got a lot of traffic and clicks to my link, that got most of my sales. So I mean, the whole idea of TikTok, you can also go and use Instagram Reels over here, which is a great way to go and build an audience. So you'll see my Reels over here, 11,000 views, 5,000 views, so averaging a decent amount of views. And what I really like about TikTok and Instagram Reels, you don't need any followers, and it's the kind of platform you can get 1,000 views or 10,000 views overnight if the algorithm pushes your videos. Same with TikTok over here. Some of my videos in the beginning hit hundreds of thousands of views when I had hardly any followers. So I mean, it's a great way to go and build an audience. And what you can also do is, since this course is about traffic secrets, you can go and use these websites listed in this traffic secrets course and go and promote your funnel that sells this course. That's kind of funny actually. So, I mean, over here in this video course, there's over 6 different videos to go and do that. I mean, I just show you in this video how to go and download this. So at the end of the day, it's all about getting traffic into your funnel. So what I'm going to do is to help you out with tons of traffic methods. I'm going to leave my affiliate marketing playlist over here, which goes over, I think, 300 videos of the best traffic methods that I've made in the last 3 years on YouTube. All of these videos are completely free. It contains information that I have learned from thousands of dollars of courses. So you're welcome to go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.